Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily customize the Horizon theme on Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to your Shopify seller page on admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the sales channels section that can be found in the left panel, just click on online store. So from here, we have Horizon as our current theme, and we can also see here customize button. Just click on it. We are now redirected to the themes editor page. This is where we can customize and edit how our theme will look like when published online. So we can add or change our logo. We can also add our text. So in our example, we have a text in here, but you can also edit and change the text. You can also change the width, the typography, and also add the background. You can also change the price. So once you're done customizing and editing your theme, you can simply just click on save. From there, your changes will be applied and you can view it on your online store. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!